Hi, this is Talon Jane, and this is not an SDI class. In fact, this could be considered a crossover episode between FTE-211 and FTT-214. And at least I got the classes correct in this video instead of my actual assignment. But in order to practice the checkering for my FTT-214 class, I decided to checker the handles. First, we'll show you that this is unloaded. We've already removed the feed source. There's nothing in there, visually, physically. So we checkered our grips for the 1911 class. And I did kind of the traditional diamonds over there, and it turned out really good. So hopefully you enjoy this video. If you're doing the checkering this week, hopefully this kind of helps, but really it's just for entertainment purposes, and it's like a bonus checkering assignment for the FTT-214 class. All right, well, have a good week, and good luck to everybody. All right, bye. All right, for our crossover episode between FTT-214 and FTT-214 and FTE-2, oh, for Pete's sake. Start over. For our my God.
You're so stupid.
Let's try this again. For our crossover episode between FTE-211 and FTT-214, I'm going to attempt to checker the grips that came with the 1911. So to start out with, I'm going to give myself a center line between the bolt pattern here. So just real lightly draw a line here with a pencil. Same thing on this side. And I'm going to take my pattern now. On the original 1911 grips, they had a diamond that went over the top of the screw holes. So all I'm going to do is kind of emulate that to ensure that this is in the right spot. Maybe just a little bit here. Line that up with the line. I need to put that right there at the top of the hole. And give myself my master lines here. On both sides. Still move. And all I did was use this right here at the top of the hole and this point to make sure that they're in the right spot. Now I'm going to draw my master lines on here. Taking my checkering all the way to the edge without a border, so there won't be, I don't plan on doing a border along the edge here, so I'm just going to take the checkering all the way to the edge but then leave a diamond around the holes. So now let me do the same thing on the other side. Put that at the top of the hole, lined up at the point. Myself a reference line. And a reference line on this side. crossed. Same thing with this side. Okay, now we have our master lines. We can go back through here and erase our straight up and down one. And I'm going to, this is just a turntable that I can clamp in the vise. I'm going to stick these to this, just using some CA glue, super glue, and then I should be able to clamp these into my Real Avid master vise and be able to start cutting. So that'll be the next thing you see, and we'll go ahead and see if we can't checker these. Okay, we've got our master lines cut in. I'm just gonna go back through and deepen them now. I'm using the Charlie 1 C1 of the Dembart master set. This is supposedly the coarse cutter. Looks like it's more designed to cut on the push than the pull, but it'll do both. But we're gonna go ahead and try and deepen these up without screwing them up. We got nice deep master lines cut in. I'm going to switch now to the 320 with the smooth side and a cutting side, and gonna start cutting these lines in, and we will figure out as we get a little closer to the holes where we want our diamonds to be at. So I don't know if you can see on the camera there, but I've got my first three. I'll move the camera here so you can see a little bit. My first three diamonds have showed up and they look gorgeous. Okay, so this is the reference photo that I'm looking at here, and I'm thinking I'm pretty much there up here at the top. So I'm pretty much here at the bottom too. I'm not sure if I should go one more closer. I'm gonna go one more closer on this side, so. To finish this, I'm going to use a Tru-Oil and mineral spirits blend because that's what I have right now. And I'm just going to see how this turns out here. Let's see if I can get a close up of this.